Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to use templates in Figma. If you're new to Figma, templates can save you a lot of time and give you a quick start on your designs. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Chrome here, and in the search bar type Figma. Click on the official Figma website. You'll land on the Figma dashboard. Here you'll find different options for projects and tools. To access ready-made templates, go to the Template section. This is where Figma offers a huge variety of pre-designed templates for presentations, websites, apps, wireframes, and more. Now in the search bar inside the Template section, type the kind of template you're looking for. Figma will show you plenty of options to choose from. Scroll through the list and select the template you like best. Once you click on it, Figma will open the template in a new tab or workspace. Sometimes it may take a few seconds to load, so just wait for it. Now the template is ready for you to edit. You can customize everything, change colors, replace text, swap out images, and move elements around. It's just like editing your own project, but with a head start from the pre-made design. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more design tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials.